Check out this 2012 Volkswagen Jetta. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include side airbag system, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, ABS, child safety locks, dual airbags, tachometer, reading light, and passenger's front airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.